So we're gonna do a really quick, not a super extensive paint job, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit these doors black. We're gonna do the hood black and the camper all gloss black, and the door on the other side top roof. We'll come back another day and do the rest of the truck to make it all gloss black. So we got everything taped off for the most part. We're gonna go ahead and get this.
What?
So yeah, we're just knocking off all the vehicles. This is a dick. Just pulled the whip out. That's what we're looking at right now. Oh, glossy. Let's say hi.